Yo, here we are again. Let me check. Yep, Twitch seems to like me, that's good. Right, we go here. Oh, I gotta write the stream notification. Then copy the stream link. Da 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 da. God damn, 4 a.m. stream. Confirmed. And see. Bring the stuff into view in a moment. Yes, I just wanted to do one thing first. Alright, we want to enable this, disable this, and we have, once again, the thing where we have the stream for the last time. I will continue doing this. And right now it's pretty good already. We have this stream here, that stream there. How many windows is this? It's quite a few. And the cursors are just dancing here. Yeah. Here we go. I did do some off-stream changes to the Octree. Not much. Not some. I didn't get to the GPU side of it. Oh yeah. Now you print the time it takes. The time between frames. I print that. And then I can just go to the code. Oh, actually, I just realized I didn't have any of this on stream. So do we get the Octree in like a recursive fashion? Let me go to the first one. So first we say, okay, so from 000, go 32 voxels in each direction and get that data, right? So go here and we see, okay, we just go to the position and size is going to be 32. It's not 2. So we escape to this branch and we just do a bunch of stuff here. Wait, what is this from 0 to 2? Hold on. Oh, yeah, I understand now. I was mixing this up with another function. Here, yeah. So we go through all the octants, right? So this is gonna be... So what this will give us is 0 and 1, right? I guess it could be a bit more clear if I just wrote it like this. But I'll leave it like this for now. Actually, fuck it. Why make it fancy when it could be really dumb? No. Spell check? What do you want this to say? I'll read the building. Like, no, sure. Yeah. We go through this, and we get all the quadrants. We just go through them. And this is the recursion part. We just get all the data, right? And oh, actually, I just realized I could have just done the math directly in here. So I could have done 0 and then new size. Could have done this. But oh yeah, and actually it would have to also be like this. But let's see. Is this any better though? I wouldn't have to use this function. I'll leave it like this. I already cooked enough. But yeah, basically, if all these are 0, then let's bring up GIMP. What? Oh, okay, it's this. I can't undo. Be gone. Alright, so this is the 2D version. But the new size, so the first size passed is whatever this is. And the new size is going to be this. So the first part, can I make you smaller? A bit. So the first part is saying, okay, so for x and y and 0, so we're going to have this position, and then we have the new size. Wahoo. So interesting, right? But on the other x loop, we're going to increment the x by the size. Right, so we're going to start from here, and then we're going to have this area. And then we're going to just go through all of these quadrants / octants. And then the same is going to repeat further and further down until we go through everything. And once we get to the level where, let's say this would be 2, right? So this is like 2 by 2 voxels. That's when we go to this branch, and we actually check, are these voxels filled in or not? And if it's only air, so let's say there's nothing here, then we actually return none, right? So we just say, okay, there's nothing here, there's no data. Alright, if this one next to us had something, then we return an array containing all the indices for the voxels. So that's what we return. But if we say that all of these happen to be none, then this whole quadrant is none. Right? And the same goes here. If all of these are empty, worst x, then this whole quadrant is none. And that's how the recursion works. And right now, the data is laid out depth first. I don't know if it's good for memory layout shenanigans stuff, but it is what it is. And what I mean by depth first is that we go here, we get the data. The way this works is we step down in the recursion, and then we go into this function and we step down there again, and we step down until we get here and we start returning the data up, right? So it's actually better to visualize. So we start here, and then we're all, okay, we're gonna step down, and okay, we're gonna step down, and okay, we're gonna step down, right? We handle this, and then it's the next one, we step down. Oh, the next one, we're gonna step down. Oh, the next one, we're gonna step down. And then this, we're gonna go one level up in the recursion, and we're gonna go through these. Same thing, yada yada yada. This goes on, and then we go here. But before we go here, we're gonna return for the function. We see if there is anything. And then we start placing our like information. How would I say this? Actually, is that true? Let me think. Oh yeah, it is. So the problem that I'm describing is that we have our occupancy mask here. And then we have the data offsets. And then we have the actual data, right? Like this is going to be data for the first branch. Instead of, oh, okay, here's occupancy mask for the first level. And then there will be data offsets. And then there will be occupancy mask for the second level. Or something like that. I don't do that. I don't know if that would be better. But this is a lot simpler, right? Well, I mean, it's just the way I happen to write the code. So, in that way, it is simpler. But it's what I'm rolling with. But now, I have to actually decode this data on the GPU side. So currently, I'm not using this at all. If I run the game, then we have this cube, but it's just, oh, what happened here? We crashed? 65. Okay, let's go to 65. 65 I said, I think. Get Octree branch data. Oh, hold on. Are we trying to get out of bounds voxels here? That's interesting. Does it happen always? It does. Where is this wrong? The thing that I changed was this. Yeah, I shouldn't have done this. This is supposed to be 1. That's funny. Yeah, if you have incorrect code, then you might crash. Be aware. Yeah. I don't currently print the actual Octree data. What did I even want to show? Yeah, I'm not using the Octree. It's we do be kind of just rendering with the old method, the flat array. And that's fine for now, honestly. But we also do have the bytes for the Octree. So now I gotta figure out how do I want to do this. And I think I've been kind of conflicted, like, okay, do I yeet this voxel data and render nothing and just raw dog the Octree? Or do I make another thing where I say var storage and then I would have some type here, right? Well, first of all, I have to figure out how can I just get the data. It's laid out in it's laid out in U8s right now. There are some U32s like these data offsets, but that's fine. I can work with that. And this is not even constant size, actually. I don't think I can just say this. Oh yeah, it's not gonna... Now it's gonna complain about validation. Yeah. So, first of all, what is the unsigned integer? With 8 bytes value that I can use. Please tell me there is one like that. What are you? We don't have that. We only have I32 and U32. So I'm gonna have to take these as 32-bit values. Does it cry now? It doesn't cry now. Okay, so I can have an arbitrary sized array of U32s being passed in. Okay. And I mean, I can just pass in this. Yeah. That makes it a bit more hard, I think. I'll see. I mean, it's hard to do efficiently, but the worst case for the DOM implementation is that I just read a 32-bit number and then try to interpret it as old U8s. No, it is a bit rough though. I think I have to do some alignment stuff here, make it easier to read. Let me think. We get the Octree. I'm gonna have 8 bits for this. And then we already have like a variable amount of stuff. The Chili's dude, thank you for the follow. But yeah. What do I do here? It'd be really neat if I back these into 32-bit segments. But right now I have a variable amount of data. Because if I have all 8 of these filled in, like we have these 4. If there's no data in anyone, then well, it's just gonna be the whole thing is gonna be 4 zeros, right? And that's it. If there's 1 with data, so let's say this data, then we have 3 zeros, then we're not gonna even have any data offsets because we don't need them. We know that the data is gonna start right after these occupancy masks because there's only one. So it's gonna be a bunch of data. And this, is gonna be 8 bits on the 3D version. But I can't read just 8 bits. I could try to make like a function to read a 32-bit array of numbers as a string of 8 bits. But that sounds like not a good idea. Or do I just introduce a lot of padding? Is that what I do? A lot of padding? Or just try to Or then I'll always have the offsets here. These are U32s. How big do the offsets even get? Alright, let's see. How big do I need these numbers to be? It's probably gonna be the biggest at the very lowest level. Yeah, I don't see any reason why it would be bigger here. This is the lowest level of the array. Yeah. 16,552. That is definitely more than 256. But if I treat it as bytes, it's still too much. Well, okay, let's remember. Oh, actually, these are already bytes, actually. It's U8s. I need to do this, and then I need to do this. Yet the data offsets are just too big. Like, I need the bits to represent that. Unless I did a thing where I only include the octant size and not the size of the previous ones. Then it might be good enough. We'll see though. Still not good enough. Let me think. Also, do I really want to do the thing where we have the occupancy mask and then we just have the data offset for every single one, even though there's nothing there? Or does this manually insert padding? So I'm gonna have a like variable size thing here. So this is the occupancy mask. And then there's some amount of, well, there's either nothing here or there's some amount of data offsets. And then we're gonna have the actual data, right? So you first want to read this. I think I can fit, actually no, I can't read this into, I can't fit this into 32 bytes. That's, or 32 bits, I mean. I can't do that. But this is gonna be a byte always. And this is gonna be a multiple of 32 always. And 0 is a multiple of 32. Yeah, I don't know. I really kind of just want to do this. Or this is the U32. And then we just have extra data. Or we subdivide more immediately. Something like that. But I think the first order of business here is to make the array itself that we pass in here a U32. So we're working with this here on the CPU side, so we're gonna automatically kind of be inclined to align everything. U32. I guess we're just gonna push the voxel as is. Well, let me think. We're gonna have it's gonna be 4. It's not gonna be the most efficient for space, but whatever. I really just want to render something. What? Oh, the voxels are I32s? Well, time to fix that. I get voxel. I change this. Where do we have problems still? 119. Real data is gonna be 32. And where do we have problems? 114. Mute data. Data offset. Extend from slice. Yeah, data offset. So, oh, I mean, I don't need to do this. I just need to say push. Yeah. I mean, we're not gonna get any runtime errors with this. That all should be handled in compile time. And now... Damn, I really don't like this. Well, okay. So we're gonna have... yeah. Yeah, we can just fit more into this octant occupancy. And we're not gonna do it right now. We can do it later. Because this is just changing numbers on like how things scale. But it's fine to leave this like this for now. One, so you fit 4 more. Now, yeah. Fair. Anyway. Now everything is aligned to 32 bits. uh, it's so easy. Okay, so yeah. Now we have the occupancy, which is 32 bits, and with a bunch of bits wasted. We call that padding over here on the GPU, apparently. And then we have occupancy data. Not occupancy data. This is the occupancy data here. This is the data offsets, which is anything from 0 bits to 32 times 8 bits. And that's fine, because it's all multiples of 32. And then we have data, which is also going to be multiples of 32. Wahoo! Now we have to... the next thing is to actually bind this thing and then pass it in and use it. There's a group 2 binding 1 here. We have this camera, and then we have voxel data. Binding 0. This is still very much like copy-paste stuff to me. It's like boilerplate. But that's fine. We have to modify this layout a bit. God damn it. Is it easier to make a new one? Maybe? This is the first entry. This is the list. Bind group entry. So I have to do it. Okay. Let me try to. I think I write this here. And then we go inside here. I know the indentation is fucked, but it's gonna be fixed anyway. Oh, actually, this is incorrect. I don't need this. No, I need that. Okay. And then I would have the Octree buffer here. I guess I can just write that. But the layout. I need another one of these. Oh. I just realized that I don't need that there. Binding 1. Yes, these are correct. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. As dynamic offset. I don't know what that means. I might need to change that to true. I don't know. Then we need to make the buffer. What did I call it here? Octree buffer. Octree buffer. Here we go. And I guess it's gonna be I guess it's gonna be this. Let's see, get Octree. Oh yeah, I don't return anything right now. See, does that work? It works, actually. Nice. That's good. Good. And what else do we need? We need to go to render. And we go down here. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, I really want to see this in action. I hope the game runs now. That's like legacy testing code. No. 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 Okay, where do we panic? Um, or do we panic here? We panic right here. Okay. This code. Okay, okay. At least it's not the code that I just wrote. I'm glad about that. See, does it run at all? It does. And we want to write. Oh yeah, we don't actually remember anything about the Octree. Ooh, actually, yeah. This might be bad, because now we are getting the Octree every single frame. Mm-hmm. And the Octree building takes like 50 ms. Let me just test how it feels. Yeah, we're significantly more lagging, but it's still playable, right? It is very much playable. It's fine. I'm gonna change it so the Octree gets cached soon. There we go. We have this, and voxel buffer is here. I'm gonna have Octree buffer. And we go 1075. Voxel buffer, and then we say Octree buffer. And now the Octree data should be updating. Also, let me. We don't need you anymore, I don't think. This is gonna be smaller than a U32. That's fine. What do we have here? We have this. Da 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 da. Da da da. Yippee! This. Yep. And yep. I mean, technically we're already talking to the GPU, but I want the name to commit that. Also, let me. There we go. We do that. And we have this lovely Octree here. Now we just have to use it. It's so simple. We just have to use it, dude. Let me check something. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. So I think I'm gonna make a new function. For the new raycasting stuff. So currently we have this ray hit thing here. So I'm gonna make a second function. I guess I'm gonna do it the same way. It's interesting. So first we need to traverse the tree. How do I do that? Ay, ay, ay. Mm, mm, mm. So like, I'm gonna have to disable camera collisions at some point so I can like look inside of the filled-in cube to see what it's like. Also, I just realized I should test this. Another thing. Okay. How is our Octree feeling when we have this? We don't. Oh, we don't print the size of it. Let's do this. Oh. Interesting. So it was just on the edge of being possible. Damn. Let me test it again. I literally add two things and then it can't. Oh, what? Are we actually that close? Let's tweak this. Can we get it to immediately crash with this? It's not a... Oh, no. The Octree data size is more now. Is it because it gets bigger and then it can't handle it? What is going on? What? Okay, I would need this environment variable, but I don't know how to set environment variables for this. Oh, that's funny. So does it set the Octree size when I first cast it? Let's see this. Hello. This is supposed to do the thing where it places a voxel. Alright, there we go. I just missed it. This should be fine because it doesn't increase the size, but does this crash? Okay, so we can't increase the Octree size right now. That's fine, right? That is completely fine. I'll have to fix that eventually. But right now, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't. Or actually, yeah, this is probably where I have to do something. But I'll ignore it for now. Just gotta remember we can't increase the Octree size for now, or we will suffer the consequences. What did I even want to test? I don't remember. Anyway, it's fine. So we start somewhere, and we want to start reading el data. Uh, I want to be able to turn the ray, so we do this. Okay. Do this. I guess we also. I mean, we don't need that yet. I could also do a sanity thing here. So we won't crash our GPU. I've done it a few times. It's not fun. I have to restart my computer every time it happens. And you know, while streaming, you don't really want to crash your GPU either and have to restart your computer. It's a suboptimal play, I would say. So we're gonna make sure that after 1,000 iterations, no matter what happens, we break out. And it might be laggy as hell with this, but at least it won't like hang on the frame forever. So that's good. So now I could have a distance limit. I won't do that for now. Also, I make this like 200 for now. So yeah. So I want to do this differently because this is like hacked together kind of. Because we have like a T delta thing here. Where do we add the T? Yeah, this is the like T delta. And I could just use this directly to increment the position instead of adding the T and then doing this thing here. It's strange. So I'm gonna do this better this time. Anyway. Where's my... Oh, there we go. My hair is messy. I'm gonna kind of sort it out. Well, I think... Let's see. So I think first, we want to figure out which octant our position is in, like the top level. For that, we need to know what size the octant is, but right now it's a constant size. Of 32. So it's fine. I guess we start also. So now we take our Voxel Octree. We go to the read position, which is 0 currently. And we say that our octant occupancy is this. So this is 32 bits. I don't know which way the bits are actually laid out. I think the least significant bits are going to be zeros. Right? And I have no way of visualizing this yet, but that's fine. Let's just roll with this. I'll just try to write all the code and hope it works. If there's any bugs, then yeah, I'm gonna have fun. Okay, so we have the octant occupancy. Now we need to know which octant our position is in. I was thinking we're gonna eventually need a function for stepping up in the Octree as well. But that's a worry for another time. So, I have this. If it's smaller than also we need the octant position. This will probably need to be 0.0. So now this way we know which side on the X divide we're on. And then we can do this for Y and Z as well. We have these, and we somehow need to turn this into 8 bits. Hold on. True, false, and then true, false on top of that. And then it's gonna be 8, I think. Minus 2 to the power of 3. No. Oi. I guess I'm gonna do this the dumb way. I really do this. I'm pretty sure GPUs don't like branches, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. I have this here. I also need this here and this here. Also, actually, I'm gonna copy paste this thing once I'm done with it. I actually have to do the indentation because I don't have a formatter here. I'm almost like I need to make my own one. We have this. I'm gonna write the else clause. Oh, we also need it here. The greatest code you have ever seen. Do the indentations make sense? Din din din. Din. Din din. Yep, seems to make sense. Alright. So now we have this fucking monster. Actually, I just realized I could reduce the size drastically. Yeah, I'm gonna reduce the size drastically. Well, okay, first, I'm gonna make sure that I don't waste time for no reason. I'm gonna put this snippet in here, in case I need it. I don't think I will. You never know what life brings you. So we have only 3 if statements. And we're gonna modify a integer with these. So what I'm thinking is gonna have because we are gonna be in some octet, right? That's like for sure. That is for sure. So we can start with the 1. That's fine. And now, depending on which side we are on these, we bit shift this 1 to the left. Right? Like, that makes sense. What is the most significant bit here? And if we do it incorrectly, then I'm just gonna read, like, in the incorrect order. But it shouldn't break completely, so it should be fine. So it's Z is the least significant, I think. Yeah. X is the most significant. Okay. So if Z changes, then the 1 is going to be either here or here. And then if Y would change, then we would move it by 2. And if X would change, then we would move it by 4. And that makes sense. It's like divided evenly like that. So X means a bit shift of 4. On which side? Bit shift that direction. 4. That's gonna be 2. Oh yeah, and I could bit shift it once, like keep track of how much I should bit shift by, and then do it at the end. Well, that's fine. I think we crash. Oh, does this need to be operation less can't work with 31 and 32? What do you mean? Oh, these are floats, and this is an integer, right? Yeah, and the octant. Okay. I'll just work with them as floats, even though I don't want to. I can't do that. Oh, it's gonna be like F32. I can't do that. Turn value, no. Oh, okay, let's just change this. Oh, actually, no. We go the bottom here. Okay. Crash for fun. Anyway, we have that. Uh, Now we have an integer, which is supposed to have our octant in the thing. And what we can do with that is we can say we can do this. Does it work? Perhaps? It seems to. It doesn't complain about it. So yeah, if our octant ANDed with the octant occupancy is not 0, then the octant has stuff. Wow. And if it doesn't, then we get false. And actually, we could use this to already debug this. We're gonna only do the first level. That's fine. I didn't even think that I would get to debug this so soon. I'm so glad that I have both the old rendering and the new rendering that I'm working on working at the same time. And oh yeah, I'm gonna do this. Now it doesn't seem to work. RIP. It indeed does not work. Let's make this a more filled in cube. Uh, ba -ba -ba -ba. So now we are getting the indication that we have stuff. We're getting it always though. We're reading at a certain location all the time. Current pulse is restart. Oh, current octant. Yeah, I'm. Wait, hold on. Let me think about this. We are supposed to do it like this. The current octant position is 0. We don't care about this. So we take the camera position and we see if it's smaller than the current octant size. That makes sense. That makes full sense, right? Let's just flip these. And let's try the previous thing. I might have been flying incorrectly. Okay, so this is... Oh, nice. So reading incorrectly. Or... So now we have 1 if the octant has stuff and 0.5 otherwise. Yes. Okay. So it actually works now. Yes, we're reading the first octant occupancy correctly. We just had to flip these. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Actually, let me confirm it by going up and down as well. And if we go behind it, then it doesn't care. It thinks we're in the first octant. But that's fine. Alright. We know which octant we're in. Now we gotta step further down and get this working. Yeah. And this is so great. This is so great. I don't have to care about the ray yet. I just have to make this work, right? I just have to make sure that I can at least step down the Octree. That is the first step. This is so good. I'm so glad I decided to do both rendering like techniques at once. Because this would be horrible to debug otherwise. Anyway. Okay. Do I break this into a function? No, because I'm just in a loop. I don't have to do recursion. So if our octant has stuff, say current octant size divided by 2, and then I want to modify the octant position. Oh. Brain cells. What? Where'd you go there? There we go. There we go. And this is gonna be irrelevant for now, actually, because we're looking at the 0th octant and whatever. But that's fine. This surely works. That's that. And then, do you even need to do anything else? Oh, yes, we do. We need to read from the correct position. No. No, I forgot. I completely forgot. Okay. So we need to do it here. So our octant has stuff. We halve the octant size. We offset our octant, the correct position. And now because depending on how many other octants there are, we need to do different things. How do you do this? Okay. Okay. Well, right now we can just assume that it's going to be 0. Because there's only one voxel. So it's always going to be the only octant. Octant? But I do have to count it at some point. Damn, it might be a lot simpler for the logic. I was about to say that we just always have every single offset in there. Well, how would I even index into that? I guess I would have our octant and then divide it by something, and then I would have the read position immediately from that. Let me think. Trying to think how much overhead it would be to always have 8 U32s in there instead of a variable amount. Because having a constant amount would make it easier to read. Because based on like what our octant is, we would immediately know where to index for the offset. Mm. Mm. Oh. Indeed. I think this is something that I might do. Otherwise, I need to fuck around with the bits a lot. I would do that if this was like save and load code. I would do that because it's more important to like pack the data as efficiently as possible when you're saving and loading worlds. But when you're trying to render, it doesn't really matter if you have a few extra bytes. What really matters is how fast can you read it. Right, that's what I'm thinking. So I might just have more padding. Immediately know where to look for the offset based on this. And we also immediately know the size of the offset amounts also. So that's another good thing. And then yeah, then we can just jump to the correct position. And we can read the occupancy mask from there. And we can repeat this until our size is small, and then we actually read the voxel data. Holy shit. Yes. And then we yeah. And when we get to the small enough size, we increment the array. This is actually looking possible, right? At some point, this just felt like, oh, I'm just writing the Octree, right? I'm just writing it. I don't know if I can actually do this, but I'm just writing it, you know? Because if I don't write it, then I will definitely never be able to do this. But I didn't think that I would get to this point so fast. I mean, I say while not rendering anything out of the Octree, but it's looking reasonably possible, right? And it feels crazy. It really does. But that being said, I'm thinking. I have a pizza in the freezer. I could put it into the oven now, but I don't think so. I might wake people up with the smell. Thinking, oh, forge some food, or do I play video games, or do I do both? I don't really feel like continuing coding right now. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to forage some amount of food, and then I'm gonna return to Peglin. Lovely, lovely Peglin, where are you? I should start speedrunning Pseudo Regalia or some other game. Speedrunning could be fun. Let me change this. This thing, I am gonna change to this. Oh, can I write? Hello, OBS? There we go. Enable sound in a moment. Okay, so my voice is around this level. I'm adjusting the audio levels before you can even hear anything. There we go. This should be fine. If you're lurking and the audio levels are fucked and you care enough, then you can just tell me in chats. But yeah, it should be fine. I'm gonna go for Balladin. Because with the default character, Peglin, I already completed every single Crucible level. Actually, do I even have achievements left? Achievements. Hey, I have all of them. So we're gonna do some Balladin grinding. Try to get to 20. Dude, I've had so many promising runs. And then I just throw. Let me decrease the volume for myself. But yeah, it's like I get really deep. I have a really good build. Like the last time, I picked Peglin's sack as my boss relic from Forest. I had a really good build. Like I was gonna win, right? And I got the fucking double-edged dagger thing, where when you draw it, it refreshes the board, but also damages you for the amount of pegs refreshed. I didn't realize I had that. I had an almost empty board and I drew it and I just died instantly. I was like, what the fuck? Yeah, I closed the game after that. Let me change the window capture. Yeah, there we go. But yeah. So this is not bathroom. I'm gonna change the text a bit. There we go. So if I... Oh, I don't want to do like everything. Actually, no, I do want to do everything. I'm gonna move that there. I think that looks fine, right? Yes. Alright, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna gather some food, and then we're gonna return to Peglin. The food is in the microwave. I'm going to soon take it. Alright. I do back with the food. Wow. Let me... Those are gone. The right side down real fast. There we go. Let's go. Sure. We'll do a bomb build. And win. For sure. I have slime. Not good. One of my least favorite bosses. Let's gather money. That was surprisingly good. Alright. 13 coins. I didn't really need to kill everything on the field, but, you know, it is what it is. I hope I don't actually kill them. I might. Okay, not quite. Good. I can gather more money. Oh. Amazing profits. Nice. Good, good, good. Yep. It's pretty good yield for the first stage. I don't want anything really. Do have a shop. 2 shops way further down there. It's either 3 relic or 2 shops, or 3 relic and 1 shop. I think I'm just gonna try to max out my money. But this is really good. The spear, upgrading the spear by 1 level, I feel like it's almost always worth it. Dude, more money! I didn't really look where I'm going, to be fair. Alright, I gotta also try to eat my food. Let's see. Well, I could remove this terrible, but if I could spare level 3. I'm gonna try to see if me munching goes through to the mic. If it does, then I'll just mute while I'm munching. Seems to be filtered out. That's good. Let's go here. Free healing. Don't mind if I do. I look like I actually know what I'm doing. Try it again. Nice. Money. Oh, not that much. It feels like this board has more money than the last one. I don't know if I'm imagining it, or if that's actually the case. Wow. Professional money misser. I'll reload now so I can start damaging that guy. Good stuff. And I think they die. Yeah. Good yield again. Interesting. And I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. I'm gonna go for the elite. The free relic, if we survive. We might get the crit as well. Nice. Good stuff. Oh, I hit the crit. Unlucky. No refresh either. Gotta use this turn just to get the refresh. Okay, good. The refresh is there. So next time fire here, and then after that fire there. Yep. And get the crit again. We might die here. Okay, 90 damage, not the worst. I actually do want to go here. Okay, I think I live. I live, we live. Yeah, they died this pretty much guaranteed. There's more money on this side. I want to go here. Yep. Nice. And do we need to heal? We don't really need to heal. Oh. 2 balance on every reload. That's pretty good. Right now, I don't have good damage. Overwhammer would be such a good one as well, but I need the damage. Oh. Let's not throw all of our life away. Actually, let me see the question mark. What are you offering me? I don't think there's really anything bad that it could do to me. Reload build, you say? Dude, which one? This means more balance. This means damage invulnerability shenanigans. Reload more often or make the reloads more useful. I think I want to reload more often, but I don't know how to hit the center one consistently. I'm just gonna go this direction and hope it goes center. Okay. Yep, it worked. Please? Okay, thank you. It's actually looking pretty good. Sure. I'll take it for free. I just realized I didn't heal, and I didn't get a chance to heal either. That's funny. I'll go to the elite anyway. What could go wrong? Oh, okay. Actually, I'm trying to get the free relic. Oh, I didn't get the free relic. Or if you block all the bombs, you get a free one. Did we hit the 0.5? Let's go. Okay. I'll do this. It's worth it. And we hit the X2. Nice. No. Balance. I mean, now we deal more damage. Let's go. Just blow up the bomb. 0.5 doesn't really matter. I guess I should be getting coins now. Because I will win anyway. I don't have to worry about that. Ooh. Nice, nice, nice. I could heal now. And it's the last chance to heal. Yeah. Can I get 4 coins here? Three coins? Okay. That was worth it. Worth the health loss. Okay, now. Sure. I'm happy. I'm happy with that. +1, +2, don't really care. This could be nice. That's nice. There's another shop though. I'm gonna bet that it has better relics. Okay, good. Okay, these two are good. 1 additional crit. I don't think I need that. But yeah, I was correct. Nice. I think that was the correct play as well. ×2 there. Sure, let's go here. Oh, 0.5. Thank you, game. Just reveal the bombs. I'll get an X1, that's fine. All the ×2s are on that side. I'll try to go there. Nah, we got the 0.5. I gotta remember that I'll have more damage after reload because the balance. That could have been 120 damage if I got the fucking ×2. But no. Ah, this is not worth it to throw. This kind of is. I'll hope that I get the crit and then go to the ×2. Didn't happen. That's fine though. I'll just refresh for the next throws. It's not terrible damage. It's not good either. Let's hope we get the ×2. Nope. Level 5. I have to reveal the refresh eventually. I'll just play the long game right now. Oh? Nice. Good damage. Yeah, decent. I'll hit the refresh now. ×2 right there. I'll get the crit and then ×2. Nah, we get the 0.5. I think we win though. Yep. GG. I don't really want to do either of these things. 0 +4. I kind of don't want either of those. Or do I want this? No. I'll just take this. It's extra. It won't hurt me. Yeah, I have no reason to go on this side. I'll just take the 2 shops. I didn't look at the... Oh, I just realized. The round squirrels can really mess with the multipliers. We'll see how that goes. At least they're not going to be a thing forever. Damn, I broke my own armor already. We got ×2 and ×1. Oh yeah, I replaced... I could have had Overwhelmer with this, but I don't know if I would have killed the slime without the shrewd scales. Okay. Neat. Damage. Funny ball movement. Money. No, only one. Oh, I can get more. Oh. I'm actually just killing myself. I'll just kill this guy instead. I think I have to heal here. I don't really want to upgrade anything. Let's just continue. Go here. Oh, definitely planned. Definitely planned. Yeah, sure. Okay. Force damage. Wow. I did not expect to do that badly. Okay. All the ×2s are on this side. Let's try to... Well, I did hit the ×2, but at what cost? I need to refresh. I might die in this fight. I'm not careful, but it might happen. Never mind, we're good. Actually, I don't know if we are good. We are. I do need to heal though. Ay, 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 ay. I'll go for more encounters, it's more money. I didn't think about the fact that I could lose health here. I hope that didn't come through badly. Ay, ay, ay. That's actually rough. I'm gonna rely mostly on bomb damage right here. At the start. Or do we hit like a bazillion times 2s? No, we don't. Okay, good. Get rid of the mage immediately. Now we can get rid of the second mage, kind of immediately. Hoping to hit the times 2. Well, plus minus 0. Gotta refresh. Nah, no. My damage. Okay. So good, so good. Okay, times 1, that's fine. I can deal with that. They're almost all dead. Refresh for some health gain. And we hit the bomb. That's good, they're dead. Whew. Yeah. I could have self-damaged there, technically. I feel like I almost did it. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, that's some good damage. I love you. I love you, weighted chip. Go this way. Okay, not the best. That's fine. Oh, okay, no, but it deals range damage. That's good. Honestly, I'm just gonna gather money, because I'll hit bombs anyway. Alright, plus minus 0 on the multipliers. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, I've completely forgotten that I have 2 discards. Imagine. I probably could have done the last fight a bit better if I used both of my discards instead of only one. And get more balance. Let's go here. Oh, they died. I can get all the coins! Already got my max health increase, so I can use my armor for gathering coins without losing health. There we go. That's some speed. Don't hit another 0.5. Okay. Only one 0.5, that's fine. Ah, push. That's fine. Appear, mage. So I can refresh the board on you. All the times do on this side. Nah, you mistimed it. Damn. Well, at least I get decent damage. Just out of pure sheer luck. Don't kill me, pretty please. Dun 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 dun. Okay. This is crucial for timing that. Don't self-damage. Please, anything but self-damage. No. Anyway. I'll take one more hit. Oh, the bomb is actually like covered. Well, anyway, I'm gonna kill it with the refresh damage. Heal. I'm like on my last legs. I can only afford one relic, but that's fine. Hoping. If I can build a shit ton of bulwark, this is gonna be good. But I don't really have a way of building bulwark right now. Also, what is the boss? Is it the wall? It's the wall. My health doesn't really matter at the end of this round. This is funny, but I don't have a bulwark building thing right now. I'll take it anyway. Or do no. If I take it, I can't buy anything on that shop. Yeah. Almost through. Maybe if I have the same relic here and I buy it. Nope. This is worse. Fuck it. We just go. Walk out of both shops with nothing. The elite here is luring me in, but I only have 28 health. I can't really go there. I really like the dynamic of oh, harder fight, better loot. So, not that complicated, but it's really nice. Sure. Free relic? Okay, no. Do I want this? Every hit deals damage to the enemy? I don't think so. Okay, now this is an elite battle. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, I only want to discard one because this is a level 2 rock. Actually, I should discard more to reload. Okay, ×2, good. Okay. Been pretty good. Another ×2? Okay. How much damage is this? Okay. Wow. Okay, no squirrel. Ooh. 12 health, 18 armor. We want to get the level 2 rock here. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. They just die. I have been blessed. I don't need to heal. Actually, no, I do heal because the boss only heals half of my health. I don't really have anything that benefits from persist that much. So this is really good for the upcoming fight. I'll crit every single fucking shot. And I think that's actually good for me. I mean, slightly. I could have had the persist and like do more damage actually. Fuck. I guess I would have been able to fire the sphere 2 times and then skip 2 times. Whatever. Oh well, let's just get the money, lol. Heal. Yeah, sure. I'm sure I lost money overall. I don't know why I do this to myself. It's like a constant problem. I heal and then I waste the health, getting less money. Alright, give me the free relic. No.
Alright, let's go, let's go.
This spears is 3, so let's go with that. Also want to go on this side. Yeah, thinking that I will get a few more squirrels and they all go to the ×2. Sadly no, only one went, that's fine. Let's just go here. It's fine. Oh, look at the fire. It's like not completely on the bottom. That's kind of funny. Okay, we do want to go here. For the ×2s. Okay, nice. I also want to refresh at some point. Oh, okay. Yeah, I have to refresh now, basically. And I didn't even hit it. Funny. But I did mine it to be more visible. Let's refresh. Or reload, rather. This might be the last turn. Yep. GG. Do squirrels? That would have dealt the entire health of the boss. Oh, almost ×2. Wow. But yeah, brown squirrel plus weighted chip. Holy shit. It can be really good. Don't really want anything except the heal. 3 balance? Kinda want to keep the orb discards, honestly. I'll take this. It's fine. The kinetic meteorite would make me waste all the squirrels, I think. So I don't want to take it. Okay. We have the bombos. It's crazy though. I've tried this crucible level multiple times. I just haven't won. And then I tried on stream and then like I instantly win. Also, we want to pierce for this slime. Alright, ×2. Okay. Oh, it's ×1. That's fine. Yay, money! Oh. I think I killed him. Okay, 6 damage, that's fine. Kinda really want to kill them this turn so I get the extra health from this thing. But it might not be possible. Yeah, rip. I missed it. This is reload. Oh wow, I threw. Well, they deal surprisingly little damage. Like I'm just refresh maybe? And there we go. Money, I'll just throw here, whatever. Let's go. Get the heal. And there's a shop there. It's all worth it. It's all worth it. I'm gonna get the ×2 no matter which way I go. Okay. These guys can deal a lot of damage, so I have to be careful. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a lot of damage. There's only one of them. Oh, I didn't think I would fall through. Not the best. Mm-hmm. I'll have to get the refresh visible at some point anyway. Oh, thank you for lying to me, Unicorn Horn. I guess the magnet messes it up, but they all die now. It's fine. Ooh, instant buy. Yes. And I can keep upgrading that to have some use for our money. The unicorn horn just is useless now. That's unfortunate. I wish it was accurate, despite the magnet. Yeah, I'll go here. Ooh, some self-damage, which is not the best. We'll deal with it. Can I go down? Let me go down, please. Okay, thank you, thank you. Let me use the funny orb. Oh. Very funny. Let's heal a bit. Oh! What was... What? It really just hates me. Okay, I'm... Sure. 40 damage for free. Why not? Fuck me. Oh, I don't reload. I didn't think about the fact that I reload. Oh no. That's actually so sad. That's so sad. Dude, how did I miss the... How did I miss the thing? The refresh. How did that happen? Stream mode? Dude, tell me. No, this one. You can do it. I believe you can skip to the end. VLC. There we go. Here. How did this happen? Indicator just doesn't show accurately. So I don't know why I was doing this bounce instead of just going straight to the refresh. I could have gone straight to the refresh. But I mean, I'm like, I'm gonna hit this, I'm gonna be at a good position. This is gonna be so good. And then it just doesn't go where it's supposed to. I really feel like I got cheated out. I mean, I did say, like, oh, you know, I shouldn't trust this. But it's so hard, because it's right there. You used to see it all the time. It's so hard to not trust a thing that really looks like it's accurate. And it's yoink! And it also dodges this. It dodged both and went to the 0.5. That's amazing. That's actually just amazing. I think that's enough Peglin. I got Peglin. Oh my. I'm not gonna do this either. I'm just gonna take a nice break. Oh yeah, actually let me show you what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this. I'm thinking I'm not gonna do this right now. I'm gonna do this. Can I move you? There we go. Center that. I'm gonna figure out more of the code when I get off the stream and I've like rested a bit. Yeah, it was good progress. Actually, let me look at this. What do we do? All this small readability change, and then these things. So preparing the buffer, and actually, I should probably do this. Yes. Good. I actually didn't forget to commit. That's good. But did I not change the category for this? Let me check. Twitch, near body. I thought I changed it to Peglin, like for sure. I did. Okay. OBS is lying to me. Food. Food. Alright, but yeah, I'm gonna end it here. We're gonna go. Actually, I didn't check the viewer amount. If we have 2 or more, we're gonna go raid. Let's see. I'm streaming at like interesting times though. Yeah. No raid. I'm just gonna hop off here. I'm gonna figure out more of the Octree. You know, if you're watching this as a pod, try to catch me live and come into the chat. I love talking to people. It's fun. Streams are a lot more fun when there are people in the chat. Yeah. There, all the relevant links are here. Currently, all the stream archive videos are on YouTube. If they ever go somewhere else, then you can always find the archive at nearpredator.com/stream/archive. I have them locally saved, so I don't depend on YouTube in that way. But I don't know how I would make them accessible right now if YouTube wasn't a thing. But I'll figure that out if I have to. And also, I have no schedule right now, but it's always at nearpredator.com/streams/schedule and the Discord server. Well, right now it's a Discord server. If I ever move away from Discord, then the Discord page is gonna be basically like, hey, I don't use Discord anymore. I'm here now. But yeah, right now it's nearpredator.com/stream/discord. And you'll have to wait to get a role from me to get access. Well, yeah, that's about it. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Wow.